welcome back to my channel. It's Creative P. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to do my hair. And when I say attempt, I mean attempt because I have a broken arm. I don't know who does their hair with a broken arm, but today I'm going to be that person. So I fell and I broke my wrist and I'm stuck with this cast for like 6 weeks and I'm unable to do my hair. And I'm like really upset, but it's okay. But today I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. And before you go ahead and say why not get somebody to do it, I already did that and I was utterly dissatisfied with the way how it turned out. Not that the person didn't do an amazing job, because she did, but the way how she did my hair, it was like super heavy with the amount of hair that she used. It was tight, it was giving me a massive headache and I wasn't having it. So I took all the braids in the front. The first night that she did it, I wasn't able to put them back, so my hair was just a total mess. So I only kept those for a week and then I took those down, and now it's time for me to get my hair done. And I decided, before I go ahead and get somebody else to do it, why not try it myself? I'm not sure if I can do it, but I'm right-handed, and as you can see, it's my left hand that's broken. I still have use of my 4 fingers. I was able to plait my daughter's hair with my hand like this. It hurted a little bit, but what's a little pain? So if you want to see me attempt to do my hair, just keep on watching this video. And guys, if you're a holy but goody subscriber on my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for always watching my videos. Be sure to, leave a comment below, and if you haven't already subscribed and you're new here, welcome. I'm Creative P. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let us all be creative friends. So if you want to see me doing my hair with this broken arm, just keep on watching. So this is what my hair is looking like. I went ahead off camera and I sectioned it into the sections that I want. I ended up with 17 sections. They're not like uniform parts, but that's okay. I did it to the best of my ability. I didn't want to get any help. I wanted to do it myself. So I have 17 braids to put in. I put like little rubber bands to like kind of hold the spaces so they don't get mixed up again. And I'm going to be using this hair is color 1B, 26 inches, and I already have it sectioned off on this little thread pulley thing that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to be using like 3 or 4 pieces to one braid because I'm trying to do knotless. I'm going to be using this Magic Finger Shine and Jam, and I also have the yellow one. So I'm going to be using both of those to put in like the base and the root of the braids when I'm doing it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.